Awning window installation in West Columbia, South Carolina, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning windows, West Columbia styles and designs available, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Awning window contractors in West Columbia offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing custom awning windows tailored to individual preferences. Energy-efficient awnings in West Columbia are a smart investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These awning window options not only improve the home's insulation, but also add a modern touch to the exterior. Awning window suppliers in West Columbia provide a range of energy-efficient solutions, including vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows, to meet diverse needs. For those in need of awning window replacement, West Columbia offers a variety of services to address any issues. Whether it's a simple awning window adjustment or a more complex replacement, local experts are equipped to handle all types of window awning replacements. Awning window maintenance is crucial to prolong the lifespan of your windows, and West Columbia specialists offer comprehensive services to keep them in top condition. Awning window replacement in West Columbia is an excellent option for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. With numerous awning window enhancements available, residents can choose from a wide array of features and benefits. Awning window upgrades not only improve the home's appearance but also increase its value. West Columbia Awning Window Services provide expert consultations to help homeowners make informed decisions. Custom awning windows. West Columbia allow for personalized designs that reflect the homeowner's style. Awning window designs in West Columbia range from traditional to contemporary, offering something for every taste. Awning window specialists in West Columbia are skilled in creating unique solutions that enhance both the interior and exterior of homes. Vinyl Awning Windows West Columbia are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer excellent insulation properties, making them an energy-efficient option for homeowners. Aluminum Awning Windows West Columbia are another great choice, known for their strength and sleek appearance. Both options are available through local awning window suppliers. Awning window consultations in West Columbia provide homeowners with the information needed to make the best choices for their homes. Awning window experts in West Columbia offer insights into the latest trends and technologies, ensuring that residents receive the most up-to-date solutions. Awning window fittings and adjustments are part of the comprehensive services offered by West Columbia contractors. Awning window benefits in West Columbia extend beyond aesthetics, offering practical advantages such as improved ventilation and natural light. Awning Windows West Columbia features are designed to enhance the living experience, providing comfort and convenience. Awning window solutions in West Columbia are tailored to meet the specific needs of each homeowner, ensuring satisfaction and long-term performance. West Columbia Awning Window Services are renowned for their quality and reliability. With a focus on customer satisfaction, local contractors provide a range of services, from installation to maintenance and replacement.